Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a cool hack on how to get some free fonts. So what you want to do is you want to go to Behance. And once you're on Behance, you don't need an account or anything. All you have to do is go to the search bar up the top and type in free font. And this is going to allow you to pop up on some different accounts and you're going to find a whole bunch of fonts. So if you see here, I want to scroll down, you can see all these fonts are potentially free. The majority of them are. Sometimes people do sales, so keep that in mind. They might expire, right? So you can find some nice fonts. A lot of these look very, very cool. So for example, maybe I want this one, Cunia, free font typeface. I'm going to click on that Behance project. I'm going to scroll down. Beautiful images, by the way. And typically what you want to do is when you get to the bottom of the project, you'll see a link, and usually that will take you to a website or a page or whatever. So I can see this download button here. I'm going to click that and see where it takes me, and hopefully it takes me to a site where I can download it. Okay, so it takes me to ROS type. Beautiful. And I can see the button here says free download, so I'm going to click that and it should allow me to download straight away. We'll see what happens. Boom. Okay, cool. And now I'm double click on the font and we have it right there. That's awesome. I'm going to install it. Super, super easy. And that's how fast you can actually get free fonts like that. I'm going to show you one other place you can get it as well. Just remember Behance, type in free font and look for the fonts and find the link and you'll get it. Another cool hack is my friend Brandon Nickerson. He's actually a type designer. So if you follow him on Instagram, and he's always posts fonts, and he always releases new fonts, and every time he does, he actually releases it for free. Usually they cost $20 to $30, right? So you can see, for example, this one, Mine, he just did this one, and you can see it's free. He only allows it free for only a certain amount of time, right? So I can look at the font, looks beautiful. So what he does, he puts the link in his bio. So I'm gonna go to the bio, click on this one, his shop, which will take me to this website here. And then now I'm gonna scroll down and find that font. So usually it's at the bottom. I'll scroll all the way down. And now I can see this font. You can see $0. Super awesome. And I just click on it. I'll go to add cart. So once you've added it to the cart, you just go to the top right, select it, click checkout. And then you want to fill in your details like you normally would. So, put your email, put your payment, and you won't get charged anything. It's $0. So yeah, those are my two little hacks on how to get some nice quality free fonts. Remember, you can go on Behance or you can go on the Nixon Studio. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe for more design and graphic content every week. Really appreciate you. I'll talk to you next time.